Alright, so I'm making a new video. If any of you guys have a speed cube, I'm going to show you guys the difference now. You can see how it's turned like that. You can still twist it. And it makes it a lot easier when you're trying to solve one. But mine, I need to go and tighten it because it's getting loose and my pieces start to pop out while I'm solving it. So I'm going to go and show you guys how to do that. You take the center caps off. So that's yellow. You just get your fingernail under there, pop it off. So we're going to go and move those to the side. See, all my center caps are off. And you guys can't, you guys can see that kind of well. I'm using one of my dad's screwdrivers from his tool bag, so it's pretty big. But you're going to loosen every screw up until the rim is touching the edge or is level with the edge around the screw itself. Get it about level. Yeah. You see that little green edge around there? You want the little ring, the washer around the screw just about level with it. Right there. I'm going to go and do that with all of them. Too big of a screwdriver. Now you can tell that it's really loose. Not good. You don't want it that loose. I'll be right back. Alright, so there's no smaller screwdriver. But anyway, you're going to start by twisting each one about twice. You just watch where the notches are when you turn it. And turn it about 362 times. Alright, 2. I did 2. That's really not enough, so I'm going to go ahead to 4. Go to 5. 6. I'm going to go ahead and do that with all of them.
Oh, you better don't listen to this. Where are you at?
Making a video. that should be good. We can go and try to do a solve. Alright, I got a little bit too tight. That solve was kind of hard, so I'm going to have to loosen it some. But now you get it, you can do it. Just find your sweet spots. See ya, subscribe, like, and comment.